Good day, everyone. We are here to present our topic. So first of all is this is our team, Mr. Lou Casano, John Vincent Sicoren, Brixter Sabornido, Daniel Mejillas Jr., and Mark Evan de Catoria. So our topic is rain flood detector and security camera. So first is flooding. Flooding, the overflow of water beyond normal limits, submerging land surface and causing negative impacts on lives, agriculture, economy, culture, and infrastructure. So next is flood monitoring and readiness. The use of sensor technology for regular water level monitoring to generate data for flood control structures and policy formulations. So the last is real-time data collection system. So automated system for data acquisition, analysis, and real-time prediction to mitigate flood damage.
So good day. So this is the problem in our topics. So rain flood detector and security camera. So problem number 1 is displacement and loss of property. That's the problem number 1. And the problem number 2 is injury and loss of life. And the last problem, the problem number 3 is disruption of essential services. So this is our solution. So our solution is rain and flood detector devices. So it can provide an early warning of rising water levels, and it can predict and prevent floods, and it can facilitate evacuation. So the security camera can also be used to monitor flood prone areas, and it can provide footage of flood event, access the damage, and aid in recovery efforts. And it can locate missing people and monitor the status of essential services. So that's the solution in our problem.
So this is our statistical data. Our excess rainfall is 27.5 or 28%. Our opening bar gauge is 31.25 or 31%. And our both rainfall and opening bar gauges is up to 41.25 or 41%.
So hello, this is the existing innovation. So first, the cyber surveillance for flood disaster. So this is the existing camera and surveillance for flood disaster that can make to locate the area. And second, the real-time water level for monitoring using live cameras. So also this is the real-time water level to monitor the area or the flooding area and to detect the computer vision techniques. And also uh, for the last the existing innovation efficiency of camera sensors for flood monitoring and warnings. So this is the important of the camera sensors for flood monitoring and warnings that can protect and um, protect people or anything for flood or rain disaster.
So, Lupi,
Abinogi mo preso. So these are the photos of our model. So as you can see, we have a security camera and that can monitor the water flow and movement of the water in a river. So and it can also send SMS to your phone. Next.
and also send a picture of your phone.
Yes. So these are the isometric drawing. So as you can see below the picture, there are names level in the components. So we have here the security camera. Security camera also detect the movements of the water in a river and send back to the SMS to your phone. And we have the flood detector. Flood detector is one also the secondary main component that detect the water level in a flood. Then third is you have rain sensor. Rain sensor is also one of the main component that detect heavy rain and light rain and moderate rain. Next. So this is our estimated cost. We have estimated materials. First we have a camera and the price. Camera we have a 1,000 the price and flood detector we have 4,000 and rain sensor we have 600 and water liquid level fraud sensor is 125. Now Arduino, which is our microcontroller, is 385 and SIM 900A or GSM module that one responsible to send message to your phone or everyone that register. And the price is 1,549 and the total of all component is 7,659. So that's all the estimated costs. And thank you.
That's all. Thank you.